The Rural Technology Action Group, RUTAG, is an initiative of the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India since 2004. RUTAG, supported by the Office of the PSA, was conceptualized as a mechanism to provide a higher level of S&T intervention and support for rural areas. Under this initiative, the interventions are designed to be primarily demand-driven, focusing on bridging technology gaps at the grassroots level, upgrading technology, and providing training and demonstrations through innovative projects.
क्या करें भाई, फसल काटने के बाद और भी कई काम करते हैं, जैसे उन्हें सुखाना, छानना और तौलना। इन सब चीजों की वजह से ये बहुत मुश्किल है। यदि आपके पास कोई समाधान है तो कृपया मुझे बताएं।
Tech Orange Engineering Private Limited and RUTAG IIT Kanpur have made a solution for this.
When Tech Orange Engineering Private Limited from Chamorana, Uttar Pradesh came to us with an idea to integrate the overall or whole post-processing systems. So there is sorting of the crops, there is cleaning of the crops, and there is drying of the crops.
The process starts with the putting of crops inside the machine. Machine is loading the material by the conveyor of 14 feet length with 30 mm diameter with 3 horsepower of gear motor up to 30 revolutions per minute. Sorting of machine is happening in air cleaning system with different mess size. System is powered by 1 horsepower blower and oscillator with 125 Hz frequency. Sorting is located on the above side of heater to reduce size and weight optimization. Machine has 4 feet length air blower in front of heater to blow air on heater. As this air passes through heater, it gets hot. This hot air is circulated in delta box design tank to increase surface area. And finally, following the drying phase, the crops are subsequently discharged from the machine. IPM machine has outreached to UP, Delhi and Punjab. Total cost of this machine is Rs 7.8 lakhs and 3 machines are sold till date.